What's going on, fellas? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Andy, and today we have the first episode of the new small account challenge, baby. Let's go. Let's run over the ground rules first, I guess, because this one's gonna be way more transparent, guys. As I stated in my earlier video, if you guys saw that, I'm gonna be showing every week my ending balance, just like I did in the beginning of my Think or Swim small account challenge, which was really great. So again, thank you guys so much for the support. Subscribers have been boosting up thanks to you guys loving these shorts I've been posting, so let's keep it going with that. But yeah, if you guys are excited for the series, drop a like, drop a sub, drop a comment, and let's first get into the rules. All right, so if we bring this up, this probably looks familiar to you. This was our Lightspeed 5K challenge, so let's actually change a few things here. So we're gonna do obviously the 3K and max drawdown. I kind of want to change this to 300, so we'll start off with that. And then also this position size is no longer gonna be a thing, right? So max position size is definitely gonna be 1,000, and we're gonna look to aim for 1 to 3 trades a day. So we could actually just bump this down, maybe just put it to 750 for now. And then this is too much. I think trading stops when incurring 3 losses, no order. We're gonna bring this down to 2, because I mean, remember, starting out we're gonna basically have like 3 tries, right? So, and these two absolutely have to stay the same, 4 and 5. Stick to what we know: ORBs, flags, break and retests, and stay green. And also, let's just add a number 6. Take early losses. That looks good to me. Let's save this, and I'll show you the starting balance. There we go. We'll zoom that in. And all right, 10 seconds until the bell. Let's get it, baby. And we are open. Man, it feels good. Glad to be back. So, honestly, the way this market is, I mean, just look at the open here. We've been on a pretty substantial uptrend, and I don't know when this is going to stop. And to be perfectly honest, this is kind of like a make or break week just to start out, because of the way the market's moving. I don't really know which direction to kind of trade in. The one thing I was looking for actually was the gap fill on Tesla here. So if the high is 120, 175.24, we could actually put that in, and actually did not hit it yesterday. So let's see if we can maybe get a move down through that level. I was also looking at Meta, maybe for downside, but that's already making a pretty decent move. So Tesla and Meta, let's keep a watch here. And Meta absolutely surging back to the upside. Hold on a minute. Also, I like that the IV is moving up. Maybe actually we could just take one contract here. If it gets over the 9, I'll take a stab on Meta. Maybe I'll take a stab on Meta. We're gonna take a long here. Looking for the ORB on the upside. Average at 750. So let's see if we can actually take out all the sellers. Push this on the long side. I feel like, wow, the spreads are actually kind of fat. Maybe I can just join the ask. Okay, so we tag the ORB. We find some follow through. I'm really liking how the markets are looking too. Doing its own little ORB. That's pretty good. All right. Wow, these are already up $1. Okay, hold on. Can I join the ask here? Maybe get a sell at 9, and I'm out. $145 profit. You got to be kidding me. Quick scalp. That is unreal. That is unreal. And it keeps going higher. Wow, man. I could have honestly waited for the 490 break, and that would have been a good decision. Oh my goodness, the contracts are at 10. I can't even be mad. So the reason I was looking at this meta level was obviously I was looking for a downside move because it was at a key level. But once I realized that we got back above the key level, I was just looking for the ORB. I would have made an extra $200, man. What a trade. My goodness, man. And here comes Tesla. You got to be kidding me. Do I go for this too? I mean, look at the bottoming wick on the 5-minute. I'll try 2. I mean 3. There we go. Taking a long. If it fails quickly here, we're out. New 1. This is huge. Might drop this. Looking at the view up in the 9. Yeah, we're out of here. All right, unfortunate. Took a quick loss there. It's only up 55 on the day. That seems more like it for how trading has been recently. Okay, probably shouldn't have taken that, to be honest. Okay, you know what? Maybe that's just a sign to take it easy. Meta absolutely in the stratosphere. Imagine we held on to that. But it's also at a rejection level I have in my TOS. So we could opt to actually take a short here. Let's go over here. You can see this rejection level that we've been playing. I mean, it could look to bust through that, so we're going to have to wait for some confirmation. I don't know if you guys saw that as well. The IV was dropping down, and there's no wick on the bottom of that candle. I love that. Okay. I'm going to take 2 short here. Looking for the false break above the 495. Looking for Meta to come back down. I mean, it is super extended here. There we go. Here's the come down. IV really dropping. I'm seeing that. I want to stay below 495. Starting to get some follow through now. Much better. Can't do a double bottom. What's the low? 42. And low is 42 as well. Yeah, got to break that. Would love to see this reverse. Okay, I don't know if it wants a double top. Breaks through it, but look at this on the 5-minute. Still no wick on the bottom. That needs to get resolved. If this doesn't break down on this candle, unfortunately, I think we got in a little bit too early. Gonna have to take it off. Yep. Okay, gonna have to take that off. Wow, unfortunate, man. What a roller coaster for the first day. Down 75. I guess you could say the third trade wasn't the ideal trade because it's just not one of my strong suits, playing extended moves. And it was a good idea. I played it off of the level that I was thinking. The IV was dropping down. I guess this move was just too strong. I mean, we had the right idea. I mean, it came down exactly to the low of this candle. You can see the low, 494.42, 494.42, but did not break it. I mean, if it double bottoms, it doesn't clear. We need to get 494.41 for it to clear. And we didn't get that. And it will come down eventually, but I guess we were just early, so fair enough. Down 75 on day one. Let's see how the rest of the week pans out, but crazy moves in the market to start the challenge. All right, see you guys tomorrow. All right, fellas, back on Tuesday. And what a week to start the challenge, man. I mean, incredible dump on the overall markets here. To say I know what I want to trade is an understatement. I have no idea what to choose. So I think patience is going to be put on display here at the open because I don't know what to trade. So Nvidia looks good. I mean, I'm looking for a retest of this, but I don't even know if it's going to get it. We're looking for this level at 876. Tesla delivery numbers down over 6%. Looking for levels. I have levels on TOS. I'll show you later. And then also whatever stock, Reddit. It's at the lows here. So let's see if we can get some continuation. Other than that, let's just see what we get. Let's get it. And we are open. That's a little weird that the Lightspeed's a little behind here. All right, well, we are open. And immediately back down, man. Can we look for an opening range? But look at how expensive these contracts are. Do I take one if we get an opening range down? This is a little bit over budget, but let's wait till we get more confirmation. There it goes. Trying to come back down. This is a big 1 minute. IV is moving up. I want to get absolute confirmation here. I'm trying it. I'm in. Looking to see what Nvidia can do. If we can get that surge through the lows. Looking for the opening range. That candle's a little bit weird. Looking for the hammer back down. Sellers seem in control. We got to be so careful, though. There we go. Looking for the lows. Give it to us. All right, back green here. That was close. And got to surge through. Need to see more volume. There we go. There we go. Drop that. IV still moving up. That's good for us. Nice. Tags it. Got to surge through. Okay, we break the lows. New one. There we go. There we go. Got to drop that 882. Whole dollar to right under the ORB. So we're looking for 876. Hammer it back down. That's nice. There we go. There we go. All right, now Nvidia's starting to move. Looking for the 876. There we go. Good downside. Good volume. Still jumpy here, man. That is not good. Let's wait. Let's be patient on this 1 minute. It's using the MAs. About 4 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, see, I don't know how these candles are moving. This is weird. All right, we got a new 5 minute. I don't know why the timing is a little bit off by like a few seconds. Not really a big fan of that. And Nvidia jumps off the lows of the ORB. Very unfortunate. So we might have to take a small loss here. Dude, these moves are wild. Still under the MAs here. Can we finally get some follow through? Probably gonna have to let this go. Yep. Letting it go. $115 loss. Sick one. Oh, but Nvidia really hit down to that level. But the thing is, we could look for more downside. I mean, I feel like Nvidia does have to hit lower and hit this gap fill. Maybe let's look for a breakdown through this. So 876.95. Maybe we could look for another downside move into that, which I might take after that hammer. Okay, new 5. Maybe a 3-bar play. Candle over, candle fail. We'll try it. Looking for Nvidia to actually get more downside. I think this level needs to break, so we're here for it. Stop is definitely going to be above this, which is the opening range. It actually looks really nice. A little bit of a break and retest the opening range. VWAP still moving down. I like it. I think once Nvidia loses this, that's when we can really see some downside. There we go. Okay. Big spillage there under the 9. Nvidia trying. There we go. Can we go green on these? And another upside move by Nvidia. Come on. New 1. Still rejecting this dang VWAP. Can we just hit to the downside, man? This is ridiculous. This is ridiculous. All right. Gonna have to sell here. If this thing snaps down, I'm gonna go crazy. What the heck? Looks like we're done. What a day, man. 320. Hit max loss. I think this is a wake-up call that we just gotta be more patient. See you tomorrow. All right, guys, back on Wednesday. Can we just book a win for the week, man? I mean, this has been really a bad start. We need to reverse this. And hopefully Amazon could do that for me today. Hovering at this 180. Let's see if we can get a break and retest support off of that. Looking for a move higher. Also Apple. That's probably going to be a downside idea. Hovering right at the lows at 168. There's a downside idea and an upside idea. So again, not really sure which one to play. So let's actually be patient this morning. Let's get it. And we are open. So Amazon, good move off of the 180. AMD looking like a bull flag right now. AMD might actually not be a bad trade. It's hitting its head on a rejection level right now. I wouldn't be surprised if AMD actually tries to break past that. Be a little bit more patient. Give us something. We want to look for a 3-bar play on the 5-minute. Gosh, this is hard, man. But look at the buying there. I'll take a stab at it. Gonna buy 3 on the long side. Looking for AMD to hold that 9. Break this flag, get over the 180 whole dollar, get past the $0.50, 180.50. Come on. Give us one good win, man. Yeah, AMD is breaking down. Nope. And there's a flush down. Bro, what is happening, man? Everything I touch is turning to garbage. And Nvidia with the come down. Now I'm scared to even take an entry here. I was looking for the Nvidia ORB to begin with. Still coming down. New one. Needs a wick on the bottom there. I would be willing to try it. And I will. Taking Nvidia short. Needs to clear this wick on the bottom. Play along for one, stock market. Obviously, we still need a wick, so I'm not selling, as you can see. Unless there is a wick. What the heck? There is a wick. Oh, we're still using the MAs. Yeah, we're done out here, guys. What the heck is this? Oh my goodness, man. Everything I touch is just not working. It's crazy. This is not good, man. Another max loss. All right, fellas, back on Thursday. And dude, I don't even know if it's going to be possible to finish on a green day today. All the moves that have been happening have been in the pre-market. So annoying, man. Like, look at this gap up. And then as soon as the market opens, it's just like, all right, chop fest. Who the heck knows, man? Anyway, main watch is going to be Netflix. Looking for a clean break of this 634 level. Can we please get that today? Let's get it. And we are open. Netflix, please pull back. Please pull back. Please pull back. Yes. I want to take a few contracts here. That's a good pullback. I want to look for any ORBs here. There we go. I'll take it. Taking Netflix. It's a big wick off the bottom. Looking to see if we can get that push up to the upside. New one. See if we can get that move. Come on, Netflix. There we go. Get on up. Good candle. There we go. Breaks through the high. All right. We're looking for 636 here. Finally, a good trade on Netflix. I love it. Okay, there we go. Look at this. 636 inbound. Let's get it. Keep pushing. Close higher. Close higher. New one. There we go. There we go. I want to join the ask on the move above that. My order's on the ask. Come on. Get me filled. Get me filled. Get me filled. How am I not filled? By the way, how's that 640? All right, I'm going to sell one there. Got that out at 580, okay. Sell one more in the ask. Got that out. Still have one left. There we go. Pushes. We could try and hit for 640. All right, now we're getting that extension. All right, 640 probably be next target. Let's go. How strong is Netflix here? See if we can get that continuation. Still more people buying. A lot of contracts coming through here. All right, dip down. All right, 3-bar play. Let's get it. Give it to us, Netflix. 3, 2, 1. New 5-minute. So I like that we're still above the 636, but would have loved to see it above that on the 3-bar play. Bollingers are kind of in our face, so I might have to let go of this one. All right, weird candle there. So this is the last minute in the 5. See if Netflix can do a 3-bar play on the 5-minute. Looks like we're going to have to get out of these. Yeah, we're out. Taking that off. $35 profit. Finishing up 280 though. Man, that feels good. Thank you, Netflix. Finally providing a winning trade on the week. Tesla looks interesting. Filled the gap on the daily. Now falling back inside the 2-day range it's been in. I don't know if this wants to break like a flag. And the way the candles look on the 5-minute, it's not the best. I'd probably have to wait for a new 5-minute candle. Yep, that's why. Oh my goodness, what a jump at the VWAP. Let's see what it does on the come down. Tesla looks ideal though. We could try it. I'm going to try it. Going to take Tesla here. Looking for the flag break. Looking to turn red on the day. Get a drop to the lows. Okay, good move there. Wow, guys. Finally, we're getting some movement in our direction. Look at that. What a break of the lows. Let's see if we can get to the 168 whole dollar. This is what I'm talking about, guys. Very nice. All right, new one. This is huge. Get us through 168. Yes, there we go. Thought I lost my mojo there for a second. Just the market. Well, get us through that. Nice. Quick surges. All right, I'll sell 3 here. Very nice on Tesla. So I got 4 left. Now looking to just ride this thing to the downside. I mean, where can we look? I have a monthly pivot level at 167.50. So that'll be the target there. See what you got. Flag is broken. Okay, new one. Looking like its own 1 minute 3-bar play. That looks pretty good. Come on. There it goes. Tapping the 168. Starting to be some bigger size there. I'm looking up here. Nope. Holds it. Now we're right on these bad boys. Do we have to get out of this? Above the flag, above the 9. Yep. What the heck is that? All right. That seems more like it. What is that for a jump, guys? Like, what are we doing here? How do we walk away with a loser on that? Oh, my goodness. Like, what is that? What is this? What is this? This has to be a joke, right? Really, really unfortunate here. But can't complain. A first winning day in the books. And it was actually a decent one at that. So, very happy. Let's take that into tomorrow and close out the first week. Needed that one. All right, fellas, back on Friday, last day of the first week of the 3K challenge, man. Finally, we booked a win yesterday. And again, markets had some non-farm payrolls, whatever, numbers. Obviously, big drop yesterday. So let's see what we can get today. I mean, I am looking at a few things. I am looking at a NVIDIA retracement play. I did see a 5-minute candle with no wick, so maybe we could just look for a scalp up to the 875. That looks good. And then if we're looking for downside, I do have ARM and also AMD to look at. So, all right, 10 seconds here. Let's close it out, baby. And we are open. So I would love NVIDIA to just give me a better entry. I would love to buy a couple here on NVIDIA. If we can get an opening range to the upside just to tag that 875, and that's it. Okay, good drop there. That actually needs a wick on the top. So I like that. Just want to see where we end up. Holding the 9. You know what? I like this. I'll take it. I'll take 2 NVIDIAs here. Yep, there we go. All right, already breaks the high. All right, we got to be quick on this exit. My eyes are peeled on the 5-minute. New one. Needs another wick on the top. There we go. Flips up. Just keep getting that upside move. There we go. Love it. Love it. All right, 875. Give it to us. I almost want to sell one, like just get one off the table. See if I can put one on the ask. I'll put one on the ask. See if it'll get me out. Nope. All right, one more try. One more try. Come on. All right, got me out there. I got one out. Taking some risk off the table. Fridays can be a little bit crazy. Range is small. I mean, we're above the Bollingers. I don't want to take a loss on this last one. I'm going to take it off. All right. Fair enough. Fair enough. Took $100 on that trade. Idea was right. I just thought it would go much quicker than it obviously did. And, okay. Does Tesla want to do one? Because I like that it's near yesterday's low. So maybe it could break. Maybe it wants to break outside of the range of 168. That's actually the level we were trading yesterday. So I may try it. I'll try it. Taking Tesla here. Looking for the ORB down. Starting to pull in. Sellers gotta help me out here. What the heck? New one. Still in the MAs. Want to stay under this. What the heck is that? But look at the surges down. All right, new one again. This is a little bit crazy. Does that need a wick on the top? I think it does, but Tesla doesn't care, man. What the hell? Wow, look at it. IV's pumped up like crazy on Tesla, by the way. But we got to be super careful here. This could flip up immediately because of the no wick on the top. So if we get any move down through the ORB, if we get any profit, I'll just take it off. Look at that, though. Look at that. Look at that. New one. Got to be so careful here. Wow, and I'm taking it off. I don't care. I don't care. I'm happy with that because I know that has to come back up and fill this. We lucked out there, guys. And honestly, we needed some luck after this week. All right, good trade on Tesla. And that is my day done, fellas. Wow. Up 221. I love it. And maybe we could just look for a little SPY trade. Just some extra bucks here. 5. I'll take it. Just look for a little ORB. Why not have some fun? See how this 1 minute closes. Okay, no, fine. We take $13 loss. We take a $13 loss. Anyway, that's done. Okay, finish the day up 208. Now let's chill out. Story of this week, man. But anyway, let me show you and log into Lightspeed here. All right, fellas, as you can see, this is our Lightspeed account. I dropped this down because there's some account info on the top, but as you can see, this is 4/24, obviously April, and you can see it by day. Obviously, it doesn't show today because it's not confirmed yet, but we are unfortunately down 450 on the account, and it's actually bigger than it should be because you could actually see these cash movements outside of the account, and I can explain that. So this 29.50 is actually standard market fees that I pay every month, so that's fine, little $30 charge, and then this 150 is the platform fee from last month, and these two charges get taken out at the beginning of every month, like usually the 3rd, 4th, or 5th. But let me explain this number here. So I believe the total platform fee for Lightspeed is $200, but say for example, if you rack up $200 in commissions, they'll waive completely that fee. So what that means is obviously, because I did trade a little bit last month, I did rack up only $50 or $49 in commissions. So it only took off $49 and it left me with a charge of 151. So, but that's like the first time it's ever happened. So I know my trading and how much I trade during the month. And even with this account, I could hit $200 in commissions easy. So basically at the beginning of every month, I'll just be getting this $29.50 charge. So yeah, unfortunately, we're down an extra 151 to start the challenge, which is annoying, but I love Lightspeed, man. Just a $29 charge. I mean, even if I was still on Thinkorswim, I would be spending more money because every contract I buy or sell, I believe it's 40 cents here on Lightspeed, and Thinkorswim, it's like 65 cents. So obviously I did the math and made sure like why I'll be moving to Lightspeed, and I'm actually saving money, man, and I'm getting better executions. It was just a no-brainer to switch to this platform. I absolutely love it. If you guys want to check it out, the link to their website is in my description. And yeah, so this is the start of the account. I mean, as you can see, end of day equity yesterday was 2,383. We can actually do some quick math here. So I think I saw it earlier. I made a total of 197 today after commissions and fees. So I'll add that to the 2,383. So yeah, we're sitting right around $2,600 on the challenge. So yeah, hopefully we'll come back next week and actually start making some good profit. Next week is actually going to be tough too because it's a CPI week. So yeah, guys, just again, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you for enjoying it. If you guys did, drop a like, drop a sub, drop a comment. Let me know if you learned something with the trades as well. And yeah, it feels incredible to be back, man. And I'm just hyped to get this challenge going, man. So that's going to be it for me this week, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next week. Take it easy.